If you feel like a rusty robot every morning with creaky joints, then stick around. This mobility workout is going to fix you up. And don't worry, you don't need any fancy gym equipment, expensive memberships, or hours of commitment. Just you, a few minutes, and some easy moves that will make a massive difference. Imagine moving freely without stiffness, feeling lighter, and waking up without aches. Sounds good? Let's jump right in and unlock your mobility. Number 1, neck circles. Loosen up that stiff neck. Start by slowly rotating your neck in a circular motion, making sure to move smoothly and gently. Complete 5 rotations clockwise, then switch directions and do 5 counterclockwise rotations. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid any sudden or jerky movements. You should feel a nice stretch, but never any pain. Benefits. This simple movement helps relieve tension that builds up in your neck, especially from hours of staring at screens or looking down at your phone. It also improves blood circulation to the brain, which can help with mental clarity and reduce headaches. If you constantly feel like your neck is stiff or tight, this move is an absolute game changer. Be honest, how many of you just heard a crack while doing this? Drop a skull in the comments if your neck just popped. Number 2, shoulder rolls. Bye-bye shoulder tension. Begin by rolling your shoulders forward in big, slow circles. Focus on exaggerating the motion and really opening up your shoulders. After completing a few repetitions forward, switch directions and roll them backward. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides and don't rush the movement. This is all about loosening things up. Benefits. Shoulder rolls are excellent for fixing that hunched over posture caused by sitting too much or working at a desk all day. They help relieve tension, promote better posture, and improve mobility in your upper body. If you often feel tightness in your shoulders, this movement will help shake off that stiffness and get your shoulders moving freely again. Did you just realize how stiff your shoulders are? Drop shoulder SOS in the comments if you felt that deep stretch. Number 3, cat-cow stretch. Fix that stiff back. Start on all fours with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tilting your pelvis forward. This is the cow position. Then exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin and pulling your belly button toward your spine. This is the cat position. Repeat this movement for 10 slow and controlled reps. Benefits. This movement increases spinal flexibility and helps lubricate the joints in your back, making it perfect for anyone who experiences stiffness after long periods of sitting. It also engages your core, improving overall posture and preventing back pain. Plus, it just feels amazing, especially in the morning. Number 4, hip circles. Loosen those hips. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and place your hands on your hips. Begin making large, slow circles with your hips, moving them forward, to the side, backward, and then around again. Complete 5 circles in one direction before switching to the other. Benefits. Hip circles help increase mobility in your hip joints, which is crucial for movements like squatting, walking, and even dancing. They also help reduce lower back pain by loosening up the surrounding muscles and improving circulation. Let's be real, who added a little salsa move while doing this? Be honest in the comment section. Number 5, deep squat hold, the ultimate leg and hip opener. Get into a deep squat position, keeping your feet flat on the ground. Make sure your knees stay aligned with your toes and keep your chest up rather than collapsing forward. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply as you feel the stretch in your hips and legs. Benefits. This movement helps improve lower body flexibility, strengthens your legs, and enhances your ability to maintain good posture. It also improves your balance and stability, making everyday movements like bending and lifting much easier. How long can you hold this squat? Type your record time below. No cheating. Number 6, standing toe touch. Wake up those hamstrings. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Slowly bend at your hips and reach for your toes, keeping your legs as straight as possible. Hold the position for a few seconds before slowly coming back up. If you can't touch your toes, don't worry. Just go as far as you can while feeling a nice stretch. Benefits. This movement helps improve hamstring flexibility, which is essential for preventing lower back pain and keeping your legs strong and mobile. It also stretches your calves and lower back, making it a great full-body mobility move. Could you actually touch your toes, or was it more like air touching? That's it. You just unlocked better mobility in just a few minutes. Now imagine doing this daily. Your body will feel looser, lighter, and more energized. Whether you're an athlete, a desk worker, or just someone who wants to move better, these simple moves can make a huge difference. No more feeling stiff and sluggish, just smooth, pain-free movement. Which move was your favorite? Comment below and let me know. And if you want more easy workouts like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's get moving together. See you in the next video.